Think it's what we ordered? Hey, it's Freeman here, and I'm standing, well, I guess I'm walking next to the 67 C10 barn find. And I bought license plates from a stranger on the internet. Got them right here. And these are supposed to be originals from 1967. You know, back in the day, for a number of years, they would make license plates that actually had the year on them, and you would get a new plate every year. And I have a thing for having the same year plate on the same year car. Just feels like it completes the experience of a classic car, right? So let's open these, and if they're real, we'll take them down to the tax office and see if we can't get the state to let us run them on our rig. Now that sounds easy. I'm in a state where you can do this. But the plates, they gotta, you know, they gotta pass some serious inspection from the gals down there, so let's see what happens. Moment of truth. Very creative packaging, which is a good way to save money. I think it's what we ordered. Okay, this one, better than it looked in the pictures. Now, I have been turned away in the past for rust, but that's not much. Oh yeah. I don't see them, well, you never know. They might have a little bit of an issue with it, but if they do, I got a plan for that. Well, we made it back. Made it back alive. Well, there's good news and there's bad news. Good news, boss, good news. What show is that from? The good news is they're letting us run these plates. But the bad news, the rules have changed, fellas. Using these plates don't get you out of having to have that big ugly blue and white tax stamp in your windshield anymore. Surprise, surprise. Texas changed it. But I gotta say, these plates look so much better than those modern ones with the goofy barcode on them, and they're all flimsy and